Alright, that was mission accomplished. So, I got this. So, 3 in the back, 2 in the front. It was only like $129. So I paid like $130 for it. I'm going to get gas and then I'm going to go hit the gym. I'll holler at you guys soon. I don't know. I keep saying that over and over. I gotta stop saying that. Alright, time lapse time. I'll holler at you guys soon. That's that again. Why do I keep saying that? Alright. Peace. Gym. I'm about to go get it. Let me guzzle this pre-workout real quick. Alright. Alright, I'm out. I'm gonna go do this. Alright. Oh, damn, what's that? Yeah, I'm recording. Alright, good. That didn't say number on top and it freaked me out. I thought it was still recording. Alright, I'm good. I'll holler at you guys soon.